All right, welcome everyone. So I'm going to show you real quick. This is my party favorite club, and it is through school. So you go to school.com and then you just search party favorite club and you'll be able to get there. Once you look into my classroom, this is the freebies folder I want you to check out. So what we're going to do today is look at those images. If there is a image of a character that you want to change, for example, the little construction worker, if you want them to be a different skin color or a different nationality, all you have to do is open up my app, which is the Imagination Art app, and then you'll be able to create your own little construction worker. So if you go into imaginationart.app, and if you have paid for this product, it is only $27 one time, and you'll be able to have access to this. So I'm going to show you real quick on how to get this done. So you go to the Imagination Art at home page, and then you type in what do you want to do? So in this case, you type in other because it's nothing that is actually on the screen. So then you just pick what type of character you want. So there's multiple designs of characters or character cartoon types that you can choose from. So you can start with one, and if you don't like it, I will show you how you can go back and change it. So if it is a child, you just click on the correct prompt. If it's a male, female, in this case it's a male, we want to do an African American boy, and then here you get pick the skin color you want, and then you can move on to the next step. So after picking out the skin color, what's next is what type of lighting. So you can pick whatever you want here. Hairstyle, usually for a boy, it could be like a short style or like um, a taper haircut. Okay, so you can choose the hairstyle that you want in this case. There you go. And then hair color, let's say it's brown. Eye color is brown. Body type, if it's a child, always pick chubby because it'll give you like the cutest character. If you click maybe slim, I mean it'll be like skinny. So again, there's options that you can choose from. So in this case, we're gonna say construction worker costume. Now, I tested out first and I put construction worker outfit, and AI ChatGPT did not give me a character because a child should not be wearing like a he shouldn't be a construction worker, right? But if you put the word costume, then ChatGPT will understand it is an outfit that you are um, putting on a child. So keep that in mind. ChatGPT is very serious about apps like this where you are creating a child. Make sure you don't pick anything like tattoos or anything funky that would not go on a child. So again, you're just going through the prompts. You're clicking on what you want for this image, and then if you don't want a background, you just click none. But then you can also put that later. I will show you in a minute. So pose, camera angles, full body, color palette, strong colors, or you put neutral, whatever feeling it is for your image. So because you are creating, a construction worker, you want the yellow helmet, you want jeans, you want the brown colored boots, then yes, you would pick like strong colors. So just go ahead and revise, make sure that everything that you picked is correct and is there. Okay. So once you check all that, everything's good, then you go to the bottom. Oh, eye style, you picked that too. Okay, we did that. Okay, cool. So again, I just like to revise my stuff. So then this program will give you a prompt. You go to copy, the first button, and then the second button will open up ChatGPT, and it can go to the Imagination Art app, which is the app that the agent that I created. Now, if it does not open, okay, okay, here you go, paste. But if ChatGPT does not open, it's because you perhaps have not connected a ChatGPT account. So make sure you create an account. That's the character that we got. Okay. If you can see it, it's got the little dimples that we pushed on. He looks. It's got the full body, the helmet. So you can always use the clip art that is available um, in the Party Favorite Club. And then you can just use this character if you want. If for some reason you're like, you know what, no, my baby boy has more hair than that, then we can just go back to the app. Or maybe you want a different type of cartoon type. You can change that as well. So you can change the cartoon type. You can change the if accessories, if it's something you want to change, the shoes, anything you want. All you got to do is go back to the app, right? And then you just create the new prompt. Let's say you want to change the skin color. Maybe the skin color was too dark, you want it lighter, or if it was too light, you want it darker. You can change all of that in this application. So now we're changing the cartoon type. Okay, so then once you do that, and you generate this image again, you will get a different character because now you changed different things, right? Perhaps you want more hair. So let's click on the afro style. And then once you get your image, you'll decide, okay, you know what? I like the first one better, or I like the second one better. So you decide, right, at the end. So let's go back. Let's copy that prompt because now the prompt is updated with the new information that we clicked on. Once we go back to ChatGPT, put on there that you want a white background, you don't want a background. Now, if you do want a background, you can always pick the background in the app. But in this case, we don't. So let's go ahead and paste that and search. And now we're going to get a new character. All right, this is our new character. All right, very similar, but the facial features are a little different. Now it's more like a cartoon type versus a little bit more realistic. So you decide which one you want. If you're still not happy, again, you just go back to the app, you make those changes, you create the new prompt and come back here and paste it. All right, it's as easy as that, guys. So hopefully this helps. And again, you can download the picture. You can use the picture any way you want. It is royalty free. All these pictures are royalty free, which means that I don't need to provide you with licensing or anything like that because they're your own images that you created. All you're doing is using this app for support. Okay, so you can get this app if you go to my Stan store. All right, it is on here. You'll see other apps that I have created as well, but this one is the character app. So all you got to do is click on it. It'll give you a little description of what it does. There's a YouTube video that you can watch as well. And it's only $27 one time, no monthly fees or anything like that. And you can use it multiple times that you want. All right, guys, thank you for watching.